Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Let me show you guys what this entails. This is a copy trading website which has investment section. Also, it has Forex trading platform inside, which is very good. Now, this is the user dashboard. I want to show you guys how we're able to accomplish and set up all these informations. I know you guys might be wondering what we did and how we're able to install this. Just stick to the end of this video to understand. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. If this is your first time on my YouTube platform, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on my YouTube videos. Now, this script is all about Forex trading, copy trading website, investments, and it's all in one trading platform, which is very nice and very responsive. Now, you just have to stick to the end of this video to understand what to do and how to install this script. So guys, welcome back to the second segment of this video section on how to install your copy trading stroke Forex trading website script. So I'm using Ostinga for this video section. So the next section is locate your file manager. As you can see, this is my domain, which is empty. So go to public_html or go to your add-on domain, then click on upload, then select a file. Now this is my zip file. I'll click on open. Now this our file is uploaded. Now go back to your dashboard. Ensure to create a company email account, which is very easy, but I won't be doing that for this video section. Now just go to email account, create your email, ensure to save your information on your notepad or your document. Then go to database. So I just have to fill out my database information. So after you fill in your information, if you're using cPanel, after you created your database user password, there will be the next section which shows you guys to click on all privileges. Ensure to click on all privileges. So once you've done this, click on create and your database will be created successfully. So our database has been created successfully, and the next section here is you go to phpMyAdmin. If you're using cPanel, locate phpMyAdmin, then go to import. Then choose your file and select your database if you're getting the script from me. Then go down to where you have imports. Then hit structure. So we have uploaded our database successfully. Then go back to your public_html. So you extract this file. You extract this. Since I'm using Ostinga, I have to put just a any name for a folder, which has allowed me to extract my file. Then open the folder, ensure to copy all or select all, move them back to your public_html or your add-on domain. So if you are using cPanel, you just have to extract. You don't need to put any information of creating a folder. So I'm just deleting the folder and the zip file. So this is it, guys. Now ensure your database information, which is your PHP version, is 7.4. It works only on 7.4. So I'll go to the next section is come to OPS, then go to connect.php, edit this section. So we have to input our database information. So I'll just copy my database name, and paste it. Also for my database username, so I'll paste it. Then your database password you created, be sure to copy the exact password and do what? Paste. Now while pasting, do not paste them outside the colon or the section here. Ensure you paste them inside the section. If not, it won't work. So this is how it is. Now copy your company URL, which is your domain name. Then just input your domain name here. Now here should be just your domain name without the slashes or the https. Good. Now here should be your company name. Here should be your company email. So just copy your company email and paste it here. Also, this is your name. And you can also change your company email address. So I'll just have to scroll. We're done with this. Then you click word save. Then the next section is exit section. Go back to mail.php. Now this is where you set up your email configuration setup. Once you create your email account, go to your webmail. The very first mail you get is your email configuration settings. Once you click on it, you get to see your SMTP server or outgoing server. So your SMTP outgoing server is what you put here. So mine is smtp.ostinga.com. As you can see, so here will be my company email. Do not what I did is Control F or Command F just to replace the email there. Do not paste your information outside the code, if not you have errors. So if you're using doing this for the first time, just follow what I did to avoid errors. Okay, so we are good to go. Now the last but not the least, our company email password. Copy the password, exact password, and change this one here. Okay, then I'll click word save. Then I'll edit this section. We're good to go. Then I'll go back to my domain name and reload. So guys, this is the front end of this website. As you can see my name here. So I'll show you guys how to actually edit this. Now this is the front end. So let me show you guys how to edit this. Go back to your file manager. Go to public_html or your add-on domain. Now this is index.html, which is the home page here. Edit this section. And we have the platform for stock. Let's see where this is. Okay, so we can change this aspect here. Let me just impute my name and save. Now I'll go back here and reload this section. You can see, so this is how you change the information and how you edit, which is also easy to do. So if you want to edit the rest, just go back to your file manager. You can see about us, most of the information here you just have to locate and edit. For the header and the footer section, this here is the header and this part here is the footer. You can also add your live charts or also change this translator. So that's how it works. Now to log in your admin is your domain name / back office. So let me do that. So this is the admin section. Now to get our admin information, go back to phpMyAdmin, go to admin. Then you edit this section here. Now we just have to copy our company email. So once you paste, like you get to see there is a space here. Now if you just save this like this, it's wrong. Just ensure to remove the space. There should be no space behind it. If not, you get it wrong. Now change your password and encrypt it. Once you watch my video, you're able to get exact information I did here, as long as your PHP version is 7.4. So I'll go back to my admin and admin. Then I'll put in my admin password and sign in. As you can see, login successfully. Good. So I'll go back here and go to next section is go to traders. Let's add a copy trader to this section. So if you go to add trader, go to all traders. You're able to see there is no trader yet. So I'll go back again. Go to add traders, and just fill out this information. Then the minimum is 100 here. Let me just put 1,000. Then the followers, total wins for this trader, total loss, and put a star rating. Let me just say 5. Then you select a trader image for this. I'm just going to download and open. Then I'll click add. Now we've added the trader, which says successfully, and it's redirecting us. Then I'll go back again to my mobile nav here, go to finance, then go to add wallet. Now you can see we have no wallet here. Then go to add new, then select the wallet name you want to add, then upload the QR code for this wallet. Then add crypto. As you can see, we've added the wallet successfully. Now these are the most important section here. Now go to let's see, go to settings. Now why I should you guys settings, you can also change your admin password here. Okay, now go to edit profile. Now if you come to edit profile, you can also change your admin information. Now and first KYC, this KYC is after a user register, it automatically send it to KYC section before they're able to log into the main dashboard. You can make this inactive if you want to. So that's all. Now I'll go back to the user dashboard. So let me create an account as a user. So I'll go to sign up. So let me just fill out this information real quick. So I've inputted the information here. Now if you're a dev, if you want to add more currency to this, you can also do that. So let me just choose this currency and accept, then click word sign up. You can see registration is successfully. Check your email for verification link. Now this automatically sends out to the verification section. Now if you notice yours is not coming to this section, meaning your email is wrong, go back to public_HTML, go to OPS, go to mail.php, and ensure you put in your right information there, or better still change your PHP version to 7.4. very, very important. So let me go back to my email and reload the section. Let's see. As you can see, this is my email. Now if I hit verify, you can just click verify. Now this has our email verification has been done successfully. So I'll just go back here, exit section, and go back to ID verification. So I'll select my ID card and select my ID card images. So let me just use this and click open. So select the same thing for this. So I'll click what to verify. As you can see, our document has been, we're currently reviewing your submitted document. So let me just come here and go to profile. And this will automatically take me back to the sign-in page. So once you come back to your admin section, go to users, go to all users. So let me just sign in back to my admin. Now I'll click what sign in. So I'll go back to, you can see we have one user here. Click on this. Let me just show you guys how to go there. Go to all users, right? Takes to this section now. Users as email is active because they verify the email. Then go to view. Then scroll down here and just hit approve. Yeah, the email image will show here normally. So just hit approve. So once you approve this, just go scroll down again. This is good. So I'll go back to user section and sign in. Then input my password. Good. Now this is the user section. So users can actually change their theme section to white, as you can see, or dark the theme. So let me just leave it this way for now. So I'll go straight to deposit section. I don't want to waste much time. Then let me just input deposit amount and hit on proceed. Now select the payment method added, which is this. Now while doing payment method, always ensure your customers confirm the wallet address before they make payment. This is an additional security you do on your own. Now once user click on tap or review QR code, you're able to see it here. I mean, they can pay through QR code. Once they're done with that, upload the payment proof. So I'm uploading the payment proof. Now hit word submit. Good. As you can see, the 30,000 is processing. You can also view it. You can also view how it is. Also view the payment proof. So that's how it works. Now once users have done this, an admin, let me go back to the admin section. Go to, so let's go straight to, let's see, go to deposit. You're able to view the deposit proof. Then you approve the user, or you click as what failed. So users keep on getting emails. As you can see, the deposit has been completed, which is good. So once I go back to user home page, so this is how it is. So then I can go with the white theme for more clarity. Okay, so how to activate the AI trading system. So users go to AI trading system and activate this. So I just want to show you guys how. Now activate AI trading system, meaning the system does the trading for the users. Okay, so users can also come to copy traders and copy on this particular trader, copying trader. As you can see, this is how it is. Then what next? Let's see. Users can also place trade by themselves. So they click on place trade, able to trade on stock, forex and indexes. Or click on forex, then select either this, then I put an amount, let me say 4,000. Select the time frame 1 minute and the leverage is 2. Select the account users is using for the payment. So I'm using the main balance. Now it's buy or sell, so I'll click on buy. Now the play trades successfully. So once it reloads, users are able to see the trade here. So this is how it is, right? When I click on view, so users are able to see their trade details. You can say this is open. Okay, once I go to my trades, this is it. Now let me go back to the admin section. Go to where you have users. Go to users. Go to all users. Then click on view. Let's see. Now this is user deposits, as you can see. Now the section here, before I go to the place trade user had made, let me show you guys something. Now once user click on auto AI trading system, then you trade for the user. Let me just trade on stock for this particular user. Let me see Apple. Then duration 1 minute and trade amount. Let me use 3,000. Leverage of 3 and buy. Let me just say sell. Select the account, the main balance, and add trade. Now we are adding trade for this user. This is how it works. Okay. Same thing goes for the copy trading. Once user copy a trade from a particular trader, You can also put a trade for them. It's the same process. So that's how it works. So what I'll do next is, if I go to, now we copy the trade first. I'll go to all traders. This is the trader we created. Then go to copy request. Now this is the copy request. I'll click on approve this copy request. As you can see, user is now copying from this particular trader. Now if we go copy request again, you can see. So you just have to do this for this user. This is how it works basically. Then once I come back here, I'll go to finance. Let's see the trade we placed before. So I'll go to trades. Now you can see the user placed a trade for this, which is 4,000. So once you click on view, this is the trade the user placed. Then you just go to select outcome. Let me say I'm taking this as loss. The user lost the total 4,000. Then asset closing price. Now the asset closing price, let me just put this as closing price here should be 3,800. Then close trade. You can see trade closed successfully. So let me just hit back, and the trade is closed. So I'll go back again to trades, to finance, then go to trades. You can see trade closed. Then I'll go to this other one we trade for the user. Okay, let me just make this as profit. Select the amount. User place the trade. We place the trade for 3,000. So let me say profit of 6,000, and closing rate here is 2,800. Then close trade. As you can see, this is how it is. I'll go back to finance, go to trades, then go back to the user section. Let me go to my trades. You can see the profit has been added, the loss, and this is how it works basically. This is how it works. Now, let me show you guys. This has an investment section. Once user comes to commodity, what they come to commodity section, and they can invest with any of this program here. We have for the gold. This is like stock, oil mining. Let me just say, okay, going with gold section, click on view, and this is gold trading. Then once I come to this section here, I'll put my amount. Let me say 5,000. Select an account. I'm trading with my main balance. I'll click on invest. Investment added successfully. Please wait. As you can see, this is the investment history. So once I go back to all users, go to view. Now this takes you to the section here. If you user have a referral, it shows you this section. Then this is the investment section. Just click on view. Now you can keep this pending, or just say, okay, duration for 1 minute. Okay, this is for 1 minute, and I'll keep this as active, and the profit will be 0 because you have to end the investment before you add a profit. Now click on reload. As you can see, this is active. There's no profit yet. Now once you go back again to the user section, after the 1 minute has elapsed, then you end this trade and add the profit. Let's say if you want to add this as loss, just keep it as 0. Okay, meaning the profit added is 0. There is no profit. Let's say user invested 5,000, then the profit here is 10,000. That's double. I click on submit. So once I go back to the user, I reload this section. I can see the profit has been added, 10,000 ended, right? So this is how it works. Now the next section here is, let's go to loan. Users can also take loan. Now select an amount. Let me say 30,000 for 6 months. This is user net income. Then you click accept and send request. Now Once you send the request, let me just reload this side. You can see. Then go back to the user section, go to finance, go to loans. Now this is the loan user applied for. Click on view details. Then you add the interest for this user. Let me say it's 30%. Then the loan here is approved and submit. Then as I approve this loan, let me go back to the user section. Let me reload here. You can see it's approved. So I can also repay the loan. Once I go back to this loan section here, and if you click on repay, meaning users have repaid the loan. Now before I come to this section, go back to this navigation here, go to finance, and this is to add funds to user account. You go to send funds. To withdraw from user account, you go to withdraw funds. Now if you go to send funds, then you add amount you want to add, top up the user account. You can top this up as profit. So this is loan. Let me just put this here as loan and click send funds. So once I reload this section, the fund has been added to the user balance. Now users can also repay the loan. You can see, then upload the payment proof and to repay the loan. This is how it works. So let me go to all transactions. You can see the deposits. You can see how it is here. Okay, once you add the funds to user accounts, definitely it won't show. Then that will be for loan. So our user will know you added the loan to them. Go back to admin, go to users, go to all users, then go to send notification to this user. Click on send. Let's say loan approved. Loan approved and amounts added to your balance. Then click on send message. So I'll go back to user dashboard and reload this section. So once you click on this notification, you click on loan approved. You can see. So this will enable them to know that okay, our loan has been approved and we have seen the amount. So that's how it works basically, guys. So I just make sure to reduce what I do here. Now last but not the least, we have a claim bonus. Users can also claim bonus here. So go back to admin. So go to all users, go to view, then just scroll down. So we have you can send the bonus to users. Let me send a bonus through Bitcoin, and amount is 5,000. Click on submit. Now this is the trade earning history for this particular users, as you can see. So once I go back to admin section, let me reload here. So I'll click on claim bonus. You can see you have received 5,000 worth of Bitcoin. Claim bonus now. Users can reinvest this bonus or withdraw this bonus. Once I click on withdraw, you can see the bonus has been added to their account, which is good. No withdrawal is available. So go back to admin. Once you go to view or that particular user, be able to, now the withdrawal is disabled, so enable this withdrawal. You just say active and submit this. So go back to the user, reload here. See the withdrawal has been open, so user just select the amount they want to withdraw through their main balance of profits, and they'll put in their wallet address. Then hit to submit. So this will definitely reload this site. So let me just reload here. As you can see, this is pending. So go back to admin, then go back to, let's say, finance, go to user withdrawal. This withdrawal fund is to deduct from the user account. Now user withdrawal is when user withdraw from their account. So go to user withdrawal. Now this is it. Then once you pay this user their amount, then you just want approved. that the amount has been paid to them. Good. As you can see, everything is working perfectly well. So once I reload this section here, you can see success. Click on view. Good. So basically we've showed you guys everything. Now this is user account has been verified. Users can go to user settings here and be able to update most of the informations. So we are good to go, guys. Now this is the end of this tutorial setup. If you like this clip, please message me on WhatsApp on how to get this, or go to my website biggianttech.com, able to see most of my uploaded script that shows you how to get, and also my full video tutorial. Thank you guys for watching my video once more. See you guys in the next video.